Welcome back to 160 Plates, the ultimate place for everything related to motorcycles, reviews, riding tips, and much more. If you love all things on two wheels, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. The motorcycle world is constantly evolving, and one of the bikes that has caught the attention of enthusiasts is the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Known for its impressive performance, style, and versatility, the Vulcan S offers a great blend of cruiser aesthetics with modern features. But what can we expect from the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S? In today's video, we're diving deep into everything the 2025 Vulcan S has to offer, from design upgrades, performance enhancements, tech features, comfort levels, and how it stands against its competitors in the cruiser market. Whether you're looking for your next bike or just want to stay updated, this review will give you all the information you need. First, let's start with the visual appeal of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Kawasaki has always managed to combine a modern look with classic cruiser styling, and the 2025 model takes it a step further. While it still retains the signature Vulcan design with its low-slung, sporty cruiser stance, there are some notable updates to make it even more appealing. One of the most noticeable changes is the color options. For 2025, Kawasaki has introduced some bold and fresh color schemes that really stand out, including a deep metallic green, a refined matte black, and an eye-catching cherry red. These colors really enhance the bike's profile, giving it a more modern and aggressive look. The matte black, for instance, contrasts beautifully with the metallic elements on the frame, giving the Vulcan S a sleek and stylish appearance. When we look closer at the bodywork, the 2025 Vulcan S retains its comfortable and sporty cruiser style with a compact, muscular fuel tank that flows seamlessly into a comfortable saddle. The bike has a lot of aggressive, clean lines that make it look much more dynamic compared to traditional cruisers. The minimalist approach to the bodywork allows the bike to emphasize its performance features with a nod to its sporty roots. In terms of the seat, the 2025 Vulcan S continues to provide a low seat height that is inviting for riders of all sizes, especially those who prefer a cruiser that feels accessible. It's designed for comfort, ensuring that long rides don't take a toll on your back or hips, which is essential for riders who plan on using the bike for touring or extended rides. One of the standout features of the 2025 Vulcan S is its lightweight and agile chassis. Unlike most cruisers, which tend to be on the heavier side, the Vulcan S's frame is designed for better maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for new riders or anyone who wants a lighter bike without sacrificing the cruiser feel. It uses a steel frame that is lightweight yet incredibly durable, providing a great balance between rigidity and responsiveness. The geometry of the frame has been optimized for agility. The 2025 Vulcan S is equipped with a 16-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel, which are slightly smaller than the wheels found on other cruisers, providing a lower center of gravity and improving overall handling. This, combined with the relatively narrow profile, allows the Vulcan S to handle twisty roads and urban environments more effectively than larger, bulkier cruisers. If you've ever ridden a cruiser with a lot of weight, you know it can make tight turns and lane splitting tricky. With the Vulcan S, this isn't an issue. The bike feels nimble and quick through corners, making it an enjoyable bike to ride whether you're cruising down the highway or maneuvering through city streets. Now, let's talk about what really sets this bike apart: the engine. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S comes with a 649cc parallel twin engine that strikes a perfect balance between power and practicality. This engine is an update on Kawasaki's long-running and well-loved twin-cylinder platform, delivering strong mid-range torque and smooth, predictable power output. The parallel twin engine is a liquid-cooled four-stroke design which has been tuned to offer excellent performance across the entire rev range. It provides a smooth ride whether you're cruising at low speeds in the city or stretching its legs on the highway. The 649cc engine produces around 60 horsepower and 40 lp-f of torque, which is more than enough to satisfy both new riders and those with some experience under their belt. Kawasaki has also refined the fuel mapping on the 2025 Vulcan S to provide more efficient fuel consumption. Riders can expect a range of approximately 200 miles on a full tank, making it an excellent choice for those who enjoy long, relaxed rides. For those who crave even more performance, the Vulcan S comes with an updated 6-speed transmission. This allows for smooth shifting at higher speeds, ensuring that the bike never feels too sluggish. When paired with the final chain drive, the transmission setup contributes to the bike's low-maintenance nature, ensuring you get a reliable ride every time. When it comes to suspension, the 2025 Vulcan S doesn't disappoint. The bike is fitted with a telescopic fork in the front, which is paired with twin shock absorbers in the rear. The rear shocks are adjustable, allowing riders to tailor the ride to their specific weight and riding conditions. The suspension setup offers a great balance between comfort and handling. Whether you're riding over rough patches of pavement or cruising along smooth highways, the suspension provides a plush, comfortable ride while still maintaining solid road feedback. It's soft enough to keep you comfortable on longer rides, but firm enough to give you the necessary stability and control when leaning into corners. The 2025 Vulcan S also offers impressive braking performance, thanks to the 300 miles per hour front and rear disc brakes that are paired with the Kawasaki's proprietary ABS system. Whether you're coming to a stop in the city or slowing down on the highway, the brakes offer quick and precise stopping power, giving you confidence in various riding conditions. Now let's talk tech, an area where the 2025 Vulcan S truly shines. While many cruisers are known for their simplicity, Kawasaki has made sure that the 2025 Vulcan S brings modern technology into the fold. This includes a full digital display, which is both easy to read and packed with useful information, including speed, fuel levels, engine temperature, and a trip meter. One of the most exciting tech features for 2025 is the addition of ride modes. The Vulcan S now offers 2 distinct riding modes, Sport and Cruise. The Sport mode provides more responsive throttle and sharper power delivery for those who want a more dynamic and lively ride. On the other hand, the Cruise mode is designed for smoother, more relaxed rides, perfect for long-haul cruising or city commuting. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki's Rideology app, allowing you to track important data, such as fuel efficiency, mileage, and even maintenance alerts. This kind of connectivity adds a level of modern convenience that many traditional cruisers simply can't offer. The 2025 Vulcan S is designed for comfort, and Kawasaki has made sure it's suitable for riders of various sizes. The seat height is just 27.8 inches, which is lower than many other cruisers, making it accessible for shorter riders or those who prefer to have their feet closer to the ground. The foot pegs and handlebars are also adjustable, allowing you to customize the riding position to your comfort. Whether you prefer a more laid-back cruiser stance or a more aggressive posture, the Vulcan S can accommodate your preference. The handlebar position is slightly forward but not too far, which helps alleviate strain on the shoulders during longer rides. The ergonomics allow for a natural riding posture, ensuring that even after hours in the saddle, you're not left with a sore back or stiff wrists. When comparing the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S to its competitors, it's clear that Kawasaki has created a unique offering in the mid-size cruiser segment. The Vulcan S competes with other bikes like the Yamaha Bolt, Honda Rebel 500, and the Suzuki Boulevard S40. However, what sets the Vulcan S apart is its unique combination of performance, comfort, and technology. While bikes like the Yamaha Bolt have a more retro vibe and the Honda Rebel 500 leans more toward a minimalist design, the Vulcan S stands out with its modern approach. It offers a smooth ride, plenty of power, and features that appeal to both new and seasoned riders, making it an excellent all-around cruiser option. So what's the bottom line on the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S? It's a versatile, stylish, and well-balanced cruiser, that delivers solid performance without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're new to motorcycling or a seasoned rider, the Vulcan S offers a great package for those looking to hit the road in style. With its modern design, customizable ergonomics, and a host of technology upgrades, it's a motorcycle that can meet the needs of a variety of riders. If you're in the market for a cruiser that offers comfort, performance, and cutting-edge tech, the 2025 Vulcan S is definitely worth considering. Kawasaki has proven once again that they're willing to innovate while still respecting the classic cruiser design. And that's a wrap for today's review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. What do you think about the latest updates to this bike? Is it something you'd consider for your next ride? Or do you think there are other cruisers that fit your style better? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe if you want more in-depth motorcycle reviews, riding tips, and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep the rubber side down.